Hello guys, welcome to new video. So in this video we are doing a DSA question. Name of question is manage stack of bricks. So in this question, first of all we are discuss the question, then we are discuss the approach of this question. After that we are doing the code for this question. So first of all I read the description for the better explanation. So you want all your bricks to be stacked. Currently you have n stacks of bricks, each with height h1, h2, h3 and hn. Assuming all bricks are of 1 unit height. You did not like the configuration much and want to change the height of each stack. To increase the height of a particular stack, you can add some bricks to it, and to decrease the height, you can take out some bricks from the stack. You required X unit of effort for putting up an item onto the stack and Y unit of effort for removing it. Find an integer which is the minimum effort required. So note, you just need to make stack of the given height. Not necessarily each stack should be made from its corresponding stack. Okay. So after that, the first line of the input contains an integer t. This is our test case. You can see here one, which is number of test case. Then t lines follow whether first three lines of each test contains the three integer n, x and y, and n lines follow containing two integer, each ai and bi. Initial height of ith stack and final height of the ith stack. So guys, in the output an integer which is the minimum effort required. So guys, इसके अंदर क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या हो रहा है मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. So you can see here, this is our test case. This is our like array size, you can say that 3, because you can see here there are two stacks, this one and this one. So the input taking part is like confusing in this question. So we discuss how we can take this type of input in further question. So after that, this is the effort when we add from one stack to another, and this is the for the removing. Okay, there are effort are mentioning here with some values. Okay, after that there are two stack, first one and second one. So the element of stack are like 3, 1, 1, and second is 1, 2, 2. So guys, in this question, they are the stack of the bricks. Like his means look like the first is 3 stack. So you can see here, I draw the 3 stack, then 1 stack of the bricks, then 1. Okay, after that 1, then 2, after that 2 here. Okay, so guys, this situation is here. Okay, so we want to this result to this. Okay, so we are doing some operations. Okay, so you can see here, if our array is not sorting order at the time, what we can do here for achieving this result from this to this, first of all we remove the two stack from here. Okay, then we get this result, we can say that. Okay, after that, the like when we remove, then there are like 6 is the like effort here mentioned, and when we add then 4. So when we are removing 2, then they are like 6 and 6, they are 12 till now. After that, in it we are add one stack here. Okay, when we add in this, then this is a adding work. So the for the adding there are 4 mentioning here, so we are add. So they are one operation only because we are increasing the value 1. So plus 4. After that, the again is same. Okay. We are adding again. So 4. So the total effort we are written here 12 plus 4 plus 4 is 20. But our answer is 10. So we find out the minimum. How we can find out the minimum efforts? So guys, first of all, we are doing sorting. So when we sort these two arrays, so how it is look like 1, 1 and 3. Okay. After that, the second one is 1, 2 and 2. Okay. This is result after sorting. So you can see here, this is our initial stake and this is the result of the achieving after the achieving. So in this stake, there are only one stake. So I am mentioning here, this is 1, this is 1. After that, there in upper stack, there are only 1 and in bottom, there are 2. Okay. And after it, in upper stack, there are 3, 1, 2, 3, and in bottom, there are 2 stacks. After sorting, you can see here. So there are no any operation is happened in this first one. So there are no any operation. After that, we are adding in this only 1. Okay. So we are adding. So we are adding 4. After that, there are 3. Okay. We are removing 1 from it. When we removing, then the effort is 6. So now our result is 10. We achieve this by removing 1 and by this one. After this one, when we remove this one. Okay. So when we remove this, then it is also make like 3. Okay. So this is the like minimum efforts here. So how we can write the code for this question? Now I am opening online compiler. So you can see here guys, this is Java online compiler. First of all, we take the input of this question. So input is look like, so I am mentioning here, our input is look like, first is like test case, after that number of array, then some effort value. I am writing a random number. After that our stake like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I take any random number here. Okay. So this is our input format. So guys, first of all, I am importing for this scanner class import import java dot util dot. So I write here star. So after that, this is our main method. In main method, first of all, we are taking the test case here. Okay, guys. So when we are taking test case here, so how we can take int test case is equal to sc. Oh, sorry. So this is our main method. In main method, we are creating a scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and in new scanner, what we can write system dot in. So we are creating a scanner class object for the input taking. Okay. After it, first of all, we are taking the test case here, guys. So int test case is equal to sc dot next int. We can write like that. So test case is done. This one. After that, we are taking the length of the array, length of the stack. Okay. So how we can take? So I am writing here. So this is our test case. So I am creating a while loop for the test case. You can use also for loop. So test case minus minus post decrement till greater than 0 till our while loop is running. Like if one test case is then one time, then if two test case, then at that time they are running for two times. So while loop is ready for the test case. After that, guys, what we can write here, we taking the n value. So int n is equal to, this is our stake size, sc dot next int. So n value is here. After that, we are taking this one int, and I write their name, remove cost. Okay, remove cost is equal to, how we can write, sc dot next int. So sc dot next int. So after that, what we can write here, int add cost. After int add cost, what we can write here, wait till second. So after that, here I am writing for the add cost, sc dot next int. So add cost is also done, remove cost, add cost. And after that, we are creating our two stakes, int stake 1, and this is type of integer array, is equal to new int, and the size of this stake is n. Okay, again we are creating another stake, stake 2 is equal to, this is also a array. So new stk2, sorry, int, this size is also same. So two stake is created. Now how we can fill these type of value, like if they are in this manner 1 2 3 4 5 6, then we can easily fill out. Now we want to fill value like 135 in stake 1 and 246 in stake 2. So for doing this, what we can write here, guys, now our input taking is like after this line, our input taking is at here. So we are consuming this line first of all. So how we can consume, sc dot next line. Now we are come at this line. Okay, this is done, understand? So that's why I writing this line. So after that, we are iterating a for loop. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n, because we want to traverse till n, because our stake length is n. Okay, and I increment, done. And in this, what we can write here, we can take the whole line input. When we take the whole line string input, then they are in come in this manner, like this is a string type, like 1 space then 2, like they are coming this manner. So after that, we can get the achieve this result. So how we can write, so I'm storing in the string type, and name is element is equal to, how we can take, sc dot next line, done. This whole line is come in this element. So when we get the whole line, so this complete line, then how we can get the result from it. So I am creating a array from this string. So how we can create, so this is the string type array, and the name is also str array is equal to, so how we can achieve, like I am applying on this element dot split, split element dot split with space. So when we doing this operation, then this element containing a string like this, 1 space 2. So this is separated by the space. So we are storing these 1 and 2 in this str array, and now this is 1 and 2 is string type. Remember this, okay? So in str array containing two element, now 1 and 2. So how we can put this 1 in stk1 and 2 in stk2? So this is also so easy, guys. So stk1 of I, because I is here, or because first of all I value 0, then 1, then 2, like three element are filled in this, 3 in this. So how we can get the value in this? So we can use a method integer dot parse int, integer dot parse int, because we want to convert this string type array, arrays like number, they are in string format, we want to convert in number format, and then we put in stk1. And how we can write here? Str array of 0th element is our stack of 1th value. Like what is its 0th value? This one. Okay. After that, they are look like, you can assume like this, 1 comma 2 after this operation. Okay. So how we can put in stk of I? stk1 of I, stk1 of I is 0. Okay. And in 0 we are filling str array of 0, means this one element. Okay. We want to doing this operation. So that's why I am creating this scenario. So after that, stk2, same integer dot parseInt. In this we are writing here, we need the first index value. In stk1 we need first 0th index value. So when this loop is iterating 3 times, then this line consuming the 3 line, first time this, second time this, and third time this, and the first values are for stack 1 and second values for the stack 2. So we get the input. Okay, we want to this input, and we successfully achieve this result. Okay, guys. So after that, this is our normal stack. So we want to sort this. So that I told you in explanation. So how we can sort? So at here I am writing arrays dot sort. So that's why I am using here star, because the avoiding the lines again and again for the scanner class for the arrays. So arrays dot sort. First of all, I am sorting stack of 1. Then after it, I am sorting arrays dot sort, and what we want to sort? Stack 2. So now both things are sorted here. Okay. Now we are counting our total efforts. So I declare a variable here. In total, initially efforts are 0. Okay, because we want to calculate minimum. So I am iterating a loop in stack 1 and stack 2 for the comparison of the values. Okay, guys. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So in it, we are apply some if conditions. So first of all, I am checking if our stake 1 of I value is less than or greater than, is less than stk 2 of I. अगर पहले स्टेक की वैल्यू दूसरे से कम है, तो इस केस में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? मीन्स हमें रिमूव करना पड़ेगा सेकंड से. वी वांट टू रिमूव फ्रॉम द सेकंड. If stk1 has less value and stk2 has large value, then we want to balance, like we want to result that in first. Okay, so at the time we are removing. So how we can write here? stk1 I less than stk2 I. So in this I am declaring a variable int removing, and in removing what we can write here, because this is the greater value, stk2 of I minus stk of 1 of I. So now we get the result in removing. like how many bricks we want to remove. So this is done. So after that we can calculate easily. We can add in total plus is equal to, we are adding in total. So how we can, we are right here removing, and in removing I multiply efforts. So I write here removing cost. Done guys. And the else if condition is the opposite of it. So I am copying the same thing and minor changes are here for the another case. If STK 1 is greater than STK 205, at that time what we can write here, at that time if this is greater, then we are removing from like STK 1 minus STK 2, because at that time this is greater than, and at the place of removing we are this adding value, adding cost. No, this is removing, we are right here in new variable adding. Okay, so this is our adding, like how many bricks we want to add in stack. So this is calculate here after the minus of the two stack values. So after that we are calculating total plus is equal to adding, and in adding what we can write here, our add cost is here, add cost. Okay, done till now. So else condition is happen when the like stake one is and stake two values both equal. Like stake one has one value and stake two has one value. Okay, at that time we are doing nothing operation. So that's why I am not writing any else condition. Because if stake one has two bricks and stake two has two bricks, okay, at that time we nothing do any operation on it because they are in the same manner that we want to achieve. So that's why this is all two condition for the if we want to remove or add. So after that total is calculated. So when total is calculated, that what we can write here, simple out system dot out dot println, and in println we are print here total. Total spelling maybe wrong, so ignore system dot out dot println. So this is done. This is the all about the code for this question. So you can take screenshot also if you want to. So you can see here, this is our code, complete code. First of all, we are taking the test case, then our n value number of the length of the stack, then removing cost, adding cost, then we are creating two stack of the length, and then simple take the next line break because we want to come in the second line. So after that, this process is for the input taking in both stacks. After that, we are sorting the our stack both stack, and after that we are calculating total values. So guys, this is the all about the code of this question. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask in the comment section also. And if you are new in channel, then you can subscribe for the upcoming DSA question videos. I daily made one video on DSA questions, and if you like my video little bit, then you can like my video, and if you like more than little bit, then you can subscribe my channel. So thank you so much guys, this is all about the video. Thanks in new video.